Hi, we will continue to describe our method. Let's see an example. This is my example which is available in my Word file. Let's see. If your table equal to $200 and your leverage equal to 7 and the type of table selected 4-step, and your currency TRX, and your enterprise is 0.06, you will have 5 buy this price, and the amount of purchases which is available in front of your price. We will see this in our Excel file. Let's see. Put your enterprise of Tron 0.06, first capital equal 200, your leverage equal to 7. So according to my Word file, you need to buy 467 Tron at price 0.06. You will engage $27.93. Next price for or buy 2 at price 0.05. you need to buy 657 Tron. Your dollar equal to 32.86, and so we will continue to buy up to 0.02. You need to buy 2,711 Tron. You will engage $54. As you see in my table, just by entering your price, your engaged dollar appear, the number of shares you need to buy in each price appear. These are price steps. These are your dollar which you engage. The profit and loss calculated. If you lose your buy in this price 0.06, if price down up to next buy, you will lose up to minus 4.66, and if your next buy comes up at first buy, you will gain $6.75. It means that buy to percentage to first buy up to 20%, and it means you will gain 3% up to your to your first capital. You can sell according to profit and loss table. It means that if your next buy comes up, you need to sell up to up buy, and if this buy engage, you need to buy this level. If you stay up this buy level up to first buy, you will gain $19.37. As we show in previous table, we suggest you some percentage. So this means we need to show you sell instruction. For sell instruction, before we use this type of table, we use this definition. We use this definition. Just we put enterprise, and we define some behavior of trader. For example, if your profit up to 15%, it means that you need to reach this price 0.069, and it means that you are hurried. And if you comes up to 15%, it means that your price comes to 0.09. It means that you brave. We define we make this definition more simple. Just in your table, we add in left of your table, we define this definition, sales instruction. The minimum for first step, you need to gain 23%, and we define percentage and the price which we need to comes out for selling. And this is price, and this is the profit which we need. So this makes our sales more simple. For level for buy level 2 and lower, we can use 38 up to 50, or makes more profit, we can use 50 up to 100. And for buy level, just for stay in or gain, we use 100%, or we can use up to maximum level 262. These are percentage which we use by FIBO percentage. So this is just for calculate sales price. In the right hand of your table, you can calculate your profit. If you all of your buy engage and stay up to buy 1, you can gain $118. And if the buy 0.02 comes up to 1 level, and buy 1, you can gain 108.47 $. $45. Sorry. And so these are some definitions which is available in my table. And the last things that I can say about the coefficient, some coefficient which we use in red in here. These are some ratio we don't need to know about the details, but we simply say that if you sum you gain 852, so your capital 200, leverage 7, you will have $140 by leverage. This divided by this, your share equal to 1.64, so the 17 multiplied by your share equal to this amount of dollar. These are just for table calculation. You don't need to know about this coefficient. Just three things: enterprise, leverage, and first capital. And so I think the sales completed. When the last things that we need is report. I use the sample report that show you that how we use report. In report we use open time, item, currency, quantity, buy price, just this month, and close time, your date, sell price, automatically profit calculated here, and your first capital here, efficiency here, and your total profit here. We use detail report, which is here, your work in each month, number of trade, number of profit, cumulative profit, average profit, and your progress. And this is your plan, your first capital, your monthly target here. These are just to compare by months, and this graph show you how much profit gained by each currency. You will see here. This is a simple report you can use to appraise your trading. Thank you very much. If you have any question, comes to my WhatsApp. We will show you everything.